So we have with us Mr. Virendra Kumar. He is the head marketing of Payal Industrial Park, and this is being done by Arite Group. Virendra, if you can talk about the PCPIR that you are setting up at Dahej, and what is its USP for chemical and petrochemical companies?
So basically, as you mentioned, we are Payal Industrial Park. So this is, I think, across India, if you see, the Dahej PCPIR is already only the unique proposition that government has given to all the industries in terms of setting up their chemical and petrochemical industry. Now here, of course, GIDC has developed all the Dahej PCPIR. Now we are the only Payal Industrial Park which is having the private industrial park, and this is already being approved by the government of Gujarat. So we have here around 5,000 acres of land bank for this, chemical and petrochemical industry. And if you talk about for our clients, as the government is already, pushing this chemical and petrochemical because of the SOPs and PLI scheme that is coming to the industry. We are also hand-holding this all the chemical industries that is there in setting up their base. So we can provide end-to-end assistance.
So what are the common facilities that industries will get if they set up the unit in your park?
So actually it will depend on the the client to client, because they have a very varied requirement. But if you see, there are 3-4 things that we can talk about. One is I think the environmental clearance that is being required. So we can also handle them. Now this is being a polluting industry, so you need deep sea discharge line and the the pollutant emittent. So that, of course, because this PCPIR is already into the development region and we already have this chemical ecosystem that is being there. So I think all this environmental clearance plus the pollutant thing can be taken care of, being in the ecosystem.
So what is the total investment that your group is making in this PCPIR?
So as I mentioned, we have already acquired around 5,000 acres of land bank. So there are, like in the chemical industry, if you see, there are players who require a huge amount of land bank in terms of 100 of acres. So I think we are only the private industrial park that is we can provide them. And the plus point is, in India, if you see, I think title land indemnification is the major concern. So there we can help them. So all this investment, if you see, that only we are going to take care. So I mean, the industry itself or the manufacturing players can concentrate on their core aspects, and non-core aspects can be handled by the industrial park.
So what type of industries within chemical and petrochemical are you looking at?
So I think if you see in the chemical and petrochemical industry, if you have the dye manufacturer, the paint industry, you have then specialty chemicals. Even in today's conference, we were just having a conference on the specialty chemicals. So all these industries can come and set up their base.
So one last question: when do you see your first client moving in, say, the PCPIR park?
Okay. So I think that's a good question. I think we are also working on providing the infrastructure first. So we are actually ready and we have just started. So master planning is already underway, and we don't want to sell the land. We actually handhold the client.
Okay.
So it's going to be a synergy. Earlier, what used to happen, there is an industrial estate you have, and already that's an industrial estate. Any client come and they have to take that industrial estate or the park and they have to develop their manufacturing in that park, whatever the facility that you can provide. Here we have changed. We are providing the synergy. There is an industrial park is there, then you have, let's say, ABC manufacturing client is there. So we are going to both work together and then we will give you the final product. So that's a synergy that we are aiming to work on.
Thank you, Virendra Kumar.